Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Trello checklists for QA and release readiness. Beginner guide step. Start by logging into your Trello account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Trello website. Navigate to the board you want to use for your QA and release readiness checklists. Click on the Add a Checklist button to create your first checklist. Name your checklist something relevant, like QA checklist. Once named, you can start adding items to your checklist. Click on Add an item to input your first task. Continue adding all tasks that need to be completed for quality assurance. For better organization, group similar tasks together. You can add multiple checklists if needed, such as a release readiness checklist. Click on the checklist title to edit or rearrange your tasks as required. Once all tasks are entered, review the checklist to ensure nothing is missing. Invite team members to collaborate if necessary. You can assign specific tasks to team members by adding them to the board. Ensure to set due dates for tasks to keep everyone on track. Use labels to categorize tasks, helping you quickly identify their status. Mark items as complete as they get finished by checking them off. Periodically update the checklist as processes and tasks evolve. When the checklist is complete, review it one last time for any adjustments. Once confirmed, you are ready for the QA and release process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.